As always, don't forget to check the best price up down below in the video description for tools and parts we used in today's video. Today, doing a thermostat on this Dodge Charger. I believe it's 2007. It's a 3.5 liter. And the big thing, I've watched some videos on this, but the big thing is getting to the lower thermostat housing bolt. And I'm going to show you how to really do that well without having to take a bunch of things off. Let's check it out. Alright, so basically we got an air box right here. You're going to pull these tabs forward and then pop this air box off. It'll still be connected at the hose. You can take an 8mm and then I just pull the air box off and just kind of set them off to the side. Oh, there's also a little hose on the end which just sits right here. Just going to pull that out and then of course loosen up your 8 here, and then we're just going to set this guy up and out of our way over there as well. Then you had a 10mm sitting right here, and this guy just pulls up. We'll set him on the ground, and now we will be where we're going to be working. And the hard part of this is taking the lower bolt off. Also, you're going to have a hose right here at the hose clamp. It's going to be connected right there to your thermostat housing, and so you're just going to squeeze this. I took my channel locks and squeeze the hose clamp off. Then you're going to take, this is what I used. It's kind of like a coolant hose hook or pick or something like that. So I was just able to grab, be real careful not to stab the hose, but I use that to kind of break the hose loose. Then of course you'll pull your hose up out of the way. Now this is our main concern. So as you can see, these are the two tools I used to get that bolt off. First, I broke it loose with my stubby 3/8 and that 10, and what I did is I reached up in here like this, and as you can see, I was able to get in there and break it loose from this perspective. Then once you've got it broken loose, you can take, you might not have an electric ratchet, it makes it a lot easier, but you can take an extension with a universal joint and a 10, and then you just come right in here like this, and with your left hand you reach in that hole, and you can see I got my finger down there, and you're just gonna adjust it onto that bolt, and you can see I'm almost touching the bolt right there, and then I just kind of buzzed it out. So that's how I got to that lower bolt. Once you take your other bolt, of course the housing comes out, and then you'll be able to change your thermostat. So that's kind of the easy way I was able to get to that lower bolt. So that's it. Thanks for watching.